containers. For show of hands, how many of you actually attended the Container World Conference these last couple days? Okay, excellent. Well, wow, you really wanted more, stuck around. Free beer. Yep, and this really is sort of a freebie. The Container World folks were very kind. They always seem to have space in the evenings, and they offered us once again to organize our own talks, as long as we just let people know about their conference. So it seems like a pretty fair trade. And also a lot has happened since the last time we had this event. There's no way we can, try to cover everything with just a few talks, but what we hope to accomplish tonight is to give you some talks from a few folks who, I just thought were interesting. There's really nothing more than that, other than they're not sponsors, they're not necessarily friends I know, they're just simply people who I think are doing interesting work around containers, and I wanted to share that with you. The other thing I'd like to do also is invite you to start conversations. And what I mean by that is I'm interested in kind of questions that you have right now, questions that you might have about what's going on in the container ecosystem, what's new. I don't want to have a long conversation right now, but I am kind of interested in what topics you're interested in. So in a moment I will ask you to just simply share some topics that you're interested in, and hopefully we can address them through the speakers, or afterwards we can also have sort of a Q&A amongst ourselves. So that's what we're going to do tonight. We've got a few speakers here, and like I said, we'll do a sort of an unpanel-like conversation afterwards. So to get started, what topics are of most interest to you right now? Or what questions do you have about what's going on with containers right now? What would you like to share right now? What's interesting to you? Anybody have any questions or topics in general that you'd like to ask us, the crowd? No? Come on, there's always at least a couple of questions. Well, let's just start off with this. What was really interesting about the last couple of days? Anything announced that was interesting or discussed, or any topics that came up that were new and interesting? Yes? Security. Yeah, security in Swarm. Oh, okay. Very good. To a jazz band. Oh, okay. So you kind of riff off each other instead of being told what to do? Okay. That's just what you want. You want a bunch of security components running around doing what they want to do, right? Somehow I think I've missed the point. But okay, so by the way, how do they do that? How do they